Today is day 7 of my I Slay Myself makeup challenge. Yes, 7th day. It's a date night look. I created this look for a date night. I don't know where I will be going. Hopefully to some dinner. Nice little seafood restaurant, you know.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them Tory flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shiesty.
So today I'm gonna show you guys how I got this look. It's very easy, very quick. If you guys don't have the colors, you can always substitute. So I started off with this color here. Now what we're going to do is you're going to take that color and put it right under our brow bone. We're going to take this color and put it right in our transition area, just to make the fade nice and neat. You always need a transition color. Now we're going to go ahead and go with that color and put it just a little bit lower than the transition color. And that's going to give our crease a little bit of definition. Get it, girl. Now we're gonna go in with this color, and it's gonna, again, you know, give our crease more definition. It's important to use multiple colors if you want to define your crease. Now we start light and go darker. Now we're gonna get the glitter glue. Just go ahead and apply it to your hand. That's how I like to do it. And get a brush, dip the brush in the glue, and then dip the brush and glue in the color and apply it to your eye. I always like to start lower and go high, because if you start too high, you gotta start all over. At least if you start low, you can look and see where you need to stop and all that good stuff. Always start low. I'm gonna go ahead and get that red color, and I'm using a crease brush and just going directly in my crease. I don't want this color to go into the transition colors that I already used. I just want it to be concentrated in one place, so the crease brush helps me do that. Sorry guys, I'm on the plane right now. You hear all this other background noise. So now it's time to go ahead and blend. We want everything to look smooth, have a nice finish, so blending is key. I'm going to go ahead with that same color again and go right under my brow bone again. Then I'm going to take my eyeliner, apply that. This is the struggle, ladies. Y'all know this is the struggle. Takes a lot of time, but eventually it turns out right. Any day now, girl. There you go. Get it together. Got it. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer, and this also helps clean up my cat eye. Make it nice, crisp, and sharp, ready to cut it, you know. Now I'm just blending out my concealer, letting that bake a little bit, doing my happy dance because my eyeliner came out good. Going in and just blending out my concealer some more. I like to pat. I don't really like to go in circles, I just like to pat on the outer line. And then we're going to head it and using my foundation in NC50 Studio Fix. It gives it a nice natural coverage. But then I do also like to go in, you'll see me go in right now with the YSL foundation. It gives me more of a full coverage, blends well with the MAC, and gives me a nice matte finish. Yes, beach. We're gonna let these eyelashes dry and put them on. I am on the struggle bus when it comes to putting on eyelashes. It is the worst. So yeah, we can just go ignore this part. It's so much longer than what I showed. Oh my god, I got them on, thank god, because that was a struggle. Gonna go ahead and set my makeup with my setting powder, you know. I'm gonna do the eyeliner, waterline, and the top. Then I'm gonna take that red color and put it right in my waterline I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty and contour my face. Yes, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, get it. Now I'm going to go ahead and use highlighter. This is Sunbeam from Benefit. And I'm using a stifle brush to blend it out. Stifle brush, make sure that the highlighter is still concentrated but blended as well. And voila! I am insane, y'all. I'm insane.
Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, participate in my I Slay Myself makeup challenge. It is 21 more days left. We're not even halfway through, so it's not too late to join. And whatever look that you participate in, make sure that you use hashtag ISLAYMYSELFMAKEUPCHALLENge so I can feature you on my Instagram page and make sure to follow you back. And that's it. Yeah, thank you for watching my video.